All right, this is skills homework 1-1. So it is due on Thursday. This first section, the front side, you're just rounding. And we talked about this in class, but you're rounding to whatever the underlined position is. So like in this one, the 5 is what's underlined, so that is the thousands place. So make sure you name the place that you're rounding to. So this one is the thousands place. So I put thousands. And then to round, remember whatever's underlined, you look at the number to the right of it. If it is 5 or more, then you're going to make the underlined number go up. If it's less than 5, then the underlined number stays. So since this one is 5 or more, it's going to go up, so that went to 6,000. After you change you either leave the underlined number alone or you change it, make it go up by 1. But after you do that, everything else becomes zeros. So this would be 6,000 if we're rounding to the thousands place. So every single question, notice it says 2 points each. You get 2 points for the place value and 2 points for the rounding. So every question is going to have 2 parts to it. So make sure you do both of those. So that's how you're going to do the front. And then on the back, there is 5 multiple choice questions, and they're just kind of random things. It's not necessarily on rounding. For each of these, you get 6 points for the correct answer and 6 points for showing your work or explaining how you got each answer. I know that sometimes you just know the answer, but on your homework, you have to explain it to me or show your work or something. Okay, on this one, number 11, Alyssa's budget is shown in the circle graph below. Her monthly budget is $1,500. How much does she spend on rent? So rent, it says, is 30%. So I need 30% of $1,500. Okay, normally with percents, we can change the percent to a decimal and multiply to get our answer. There's lots of other ways, but that would be probably the easiest way. So that's one way to do it. Okay, on number 12, it says, what is the mode? Okay, if you forgot what mode was, mode is the number that occurs the most. So again, if you don't have any work to show, just tell me that. Explain that to me. Number 13, what is the measure of the unlabeled angle in the triangle below? Okay, this one says it's 49 degrees. This one says 91 degrees, and we're looking for this one right here. Okay, what you have to remember, what you've got to know by now is that all 3 angles of a triangle, so all angles add up to 180 degrees. So use that to help you find the one that's missing. All right, number 14, what are the coordinates of point P? Here's point P. Okay, now on our coordinates, it goes X and then Y. So here's your X and here's your Y. So you're going to start at your origin and go across first, and then the Y goes up and down. So find point P from the origin, count how many it goes across, and then how many it goes up or down. And that would be your ordered pair. And the last one, Susie divided a 9-pound bag of apples into 5 equal groups. So you're taking 9 pounds and dividing it by 5. So do 9 divided by 5 and see which of those you get. Okay, if you get a fraction, whatever your remainder is, put it over 5 to get your to make it a mixed number. Okay, good luck.